So this question here is one that we would say is quadratic in type because we have something squared minus some coefficient times that same thing and then a number. And so what we do here is one way to approach this is to do it by substitution. Substitution means that you swap out the thing that you see there for a u. So I'm going to say u is x over x plus 2. Alright, so I can rewrite this then as 2u squared minus 3u minus 9 equals 0. And so you see all I did was I just took that whole x over x plus 2 here, and it's the same thing here of course, and I swapped those out with this u. Alright, so now this is something we know how to process. So this one can be factored, and that's the way I'm going to approach it. We'll start by writing 2u and u, and I'm going to find the things that multiply to give negative 9 and then add to give negative 3. And so looking at this problem, it looks like we're going to do a minus 3 here and a plus 3 over here. Alright, because 3 times negative 3 is the negative 9, and then we get, when we do the check here of the outer terms, we get negative 6. And the inner terms we get plus 3, so negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So now we have 2u plus 3 equals 0, and we have u minus 3 equals 0. Alright, so the first one is negative 3 halves. The next one, u equals 3. So now we substitute back our u. So we got u is negative 3 halves. Well, u is x over x plus 2. And we're going to set that equal to negative 3 halves. And now probably the simplest way to solve this is by doing cross multiplication. So when I cross multiply, I get 2x equals negative 3 times x plus 2. And so we continue to solve this, distribute the negative 3. And so through those steps there, I simplified a very simple linear equation. I got negative 6/5. And then my second one is, so that was the solution here for negative 3 halves. Now we need to do u is equal to 3. So again, we say x over x plus 2 equals 3. And we'll cross multiply again, realizing that that's 3 over 1. So we cross multiply, and we get x equals 3 times x plus 2. And following that algebra all the way down, I get x equals to negative 3. And so we would enter our answers here as a comma separated list, negative 3 and negative 6/5.